If your guys' intercooler looks like mine, you're probably gonna wanna flush it out too. Got this on eBay, and it's just super dirty. The only thing I'm gonna use to flush it out, it's just super clean. You can get this at Walmart. I'm not gonna dilute it at all, so I'm just gonna use it as is. I'm just gonna dump some in on each side. There is still a bunch of stuff in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do it one more time. I'm gonna fill it up more, let it sit longer. That way that degreaser can actually start doing its work. It's been 10 minutes and I come back to see it looking like this, which is pretty freaking gross. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump it and we'll see what happens. I rinsed it out with water, about enough to fill up a 5-gallon bucket. It looks pretty good on the inside. I'm getting almost crystal clear water out, so I think it's flushed out pretty good. We'll let it dry. But before that, I'm gonna clean it and polish it. So make sure you watch that video if you wanna know how to restore an intercooler. See you guys on the next one.